Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix login problem in Delta Force Mobile, step by step. If you're stuck on login screen getting an error or can't just sign in, this video is for you. So let's get started. So for that, make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also restart your router if needed. Poor connection is the most common cause of login failures. So after that, you want to make sure that your app is updated. Open up your app store and then in the search bar, search for Delta Force. And once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it. And inside this blue button, if you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Our updated version often have login box. So after you do that, go ahead and restart your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot fixes background glitches causing login issues. So if the problem still persists, head back and then long press on your Delta Force, tap on remove app, delete app, then tap on delete. Once you have deleted it, go ahead and simply open up your app store and then reinstall it again. After you reinstall it, try logging in again. If it's still not working, the servers might be down. Check their official Twitter or Discord for maintenance announcement. And that's it guys, your login issue with Delta Force Mobile should now be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.